process. Don't move or sexually. Wiggle your toes and swim all day. Kick your feet and flap your hands. Swimming fun with all our friends. Bubbles here and bubbles there. Waves are splashing everywhere. Laugh and giggle, swim around. Tiny splashes, squishy sounds. Swish like a fish, flick your tail. Swim together without fail. Swim down deep and up we zoom. Splashy fun from morning till noon. Let's count our friends, 1 to 4. Splash and count some more. Benny, Ellie, Milo too. Daisy quacks and counts with you. Floating gently side by side. Soft calm ripples open wide. Take a breath, now close your eyes. Dream of bubbles, sun and skies. Peekaboo splash, where'd you go? Under the water, bubbles glow. Up hops Benny, then Ellie too. Milo and Daisy say peekaboo. Follow the leader, swim in a line. Kick your feet, you're doing fine. Around the pond and back again, swimming fun with all our friends. Let's make a wave, whoosh so high. Splish and splash up to the sky. Giggle, giggle, spin around. Happy swimming, splishy sound. Sun and water, splash and play. A rainbow appears to brighten our day. Colors shining bright and true. Swimming together, me and you. After swimming, it's time to rest. A tasty picnic is the best. Fruits and juice and yummy treats. Sit together, rest our feet. Belly slowly splash once more. Paddle, splash and swim galore. One more round of splashy play. Swimming fun all day, hooray! 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Splishy splashes, giggles galore. Wave to Benny, Ellie too. Milo, Daisy, me and you. Swimming day is at its end. Thank you, little friend. Wave goodbye and splash good night. See you soon for more delight.